Hello kids, today we are going to see two blinking LEDs. Here I have used these two blinking LEDs eyes of a robot. I'm going to show you the code now and then the circuit. So in the code, 11 and 12 I have used as an output pins, and then in the loop, first I'm turning on both 11 and 12 and then turning off both 11 and 12. So digital write 11, high turns on 11 LED and digital write 12 high turns on 12 LED, and then wait for 1 second, that is delay of 1000, and then digital write 11 low turns off the first LED and digital write 12 low turns off the second LED, delay of 1000, waits for 1 second. So this action repeats forever. Let me show you the circuit here. So this here I have used breadboard. So breadboard, hope you can see it. Right. So there are two LEDs. So I have used both wires are not connected to the Arduino Uno. Instead, both the wires are connected in the breadboard. And I have connected the negative, the ground. So the ground wire, this blue wire, to the ground part of LED. So the ground of Arduino is going to breadboard's negative, the blue line, and this blue wire and this orange wire, the small ones, this is LED 1's ground is connected to breadboard ground, and LED 2 ground is connected to breadboard ground. So next, this orange is connected to pin 12, and this blue wire is connected to pin 11. So this is the circuit details. Thanks for watching.